The final day of the workshop gave participants a chance to see trade controls in action during a site visit to Pleb Depot and the port of Point Lisas, facilitated by the BCRC Caribbean team. The hands-on tour left a strong impression on regional delegates, who later shared their feedback.
Yeah, two of the things we like seeing here today, the chemical shelter, that in case of emergency, the officers and the staff here at the port can be safe. We also like the way that the container scanner is away from every person working here, so the radiation would not affect the staff. Also, we like the layout of the port itself and the different berths for the different ships that arrive here. All in all, it was a good trip. I hope that everything goes well. And also the water, management of the waterways, that's also key, to make sure the water and the environment is safe. The fishes and animals and the wildlife safe.
I especially like the way they do the chemicals here, the importance of separation. They have a point where everybody could muster if there's anything happening in terms of the chemicals. I especially like that they have safety in place. There's a nurse, there's ambulance that will take care of anybody if anything happens. So that's very important. That's a key takeaway. And from customs end, I am very impressed with the scanning system that they have here. Very, very impressed.
Inter-Caribbean dialogue and liaison with other countries, that we all must be tied in together for us to support this convention against illegal waste products.
I think health and safety is at the forefront of everything they do here. They take it very seriously, and I think that is something that we could actually copy.
Following the site visit and technical brief on harmonized commodity coding systems from the WCO, the workshop wrapped up its final session. Here, countries shared local strategies on combating illegal traffic and trade under the BRS conventions. Ending the week on a high note, representatives from each country were awarded certificates of participation, marking a successful close to an intensive 4 days of regional collaboration. From interactive knowledge sharing to eye-opening port tours, this 4-day workshop has successfully armed Caribbean nations with the tools, toolkits, and partnerships needed to enforce environmental treaties. As these delegates return home, the region stands better equipped to protect its borders, its people, and its precious ecosystem from hazardous waste.